I had a very lovely visit at the Entre Prerana event this afternoon. I had the opportunity to meet several street vendors who struggled through COVID, had many hardships that they had to go through. And then it was very moving to hear about their journeys and hear about how the AIF digital transformation and the loan optimization programs have really helped not only enable their businesses, but also scale their businesses to the next level. It's been a complete game changer for them and their families, and very inspiring to hear their stories. I'm very happy to be part of AIF and would love to do many more mission trips in the future.